Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we had a new report for subscribers to kick off the trading week that just went gangbusters. It opened at $1.89 and hit highs of $2.56 about an hour in, with strong interest behind it. This was a 35% move off the opening tick. If you were able to trade pre-market, you could have gotten in around $1.70. You can trade 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. with Webull. Click our referral link in the description, deposit at least $100, and get up to 12 free stocks when you open an account with Webull. We will continue to watch this stock for more trade opportunities for our subscribers. We also have more stocks like today on our radar. To get our free reports, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. Well, guys, stocks today rose to start the new trading week, as we have a lot of economic data on tap from in terms of inflation and also labor market data on Friday. This will shape future monetary policy actions from the Fed. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite snapped a 3-week losing streak on Friday, but are still on track to end August in the red. Traders this week on Thursday will receive the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index report for July. This is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. Back in June, it rose 4.1% on a year-over-year basis after excluding food and energy prices. This is still significantly above the central bank's 2% target. Investors will also be closely looking for the August non-farm payrolls report due Friday for any signs of cooling in the highly resilient labor market. In terms of today's price action, look at just these 5 from our weekend video. GNS closed up 57%. VFS up 19%. SCTL up 8%. Rite Aid up 8%. And XPEV up 5%. I do a video every weekend with my trade plan for the coming week, and also I include my watch list. Make sure you subscribe to not miss any of these plays. GNS has a lot of enthusiasm behind it, as we have a spinoff coming this week and also earnings. So it had a really nice breakout today, closed above the 150-day moving average. I know a lot of people look at the 50, look at the 200-day. They look for crossovers. I like the 150. It's clear. I want to keep my charts simple, so I use the 150-day moving average on all my charts. VFS, what a beast. I mean, just keeps running. I have no idea where it ends, but it will crash. Trade it, don't own it. Be cautious here, guys. This is a low float that is just absolutely squeezing the shorts. Anything can happen with this one. This thing could go to 100, 200, 300. We could get a GameStop type move, and I hope we do, because that will just totally eviscerate the shorts, put a hurting on them, and we'll get other stocks like VFS starting to run. So I am all for the monster short squeezes. SCTL, as I talked about in the weekend video, we had major insider buying last week, and that is always a bullish sign, and it could be a sign that the bottom is in on SCTL. RAD up 8%. Trade it, don't own it. It's eventually going to file for bankruptcy, get delisted, end up on the OTC markets. What we're going to see is short covering. We're going to get the shorts covering before that bankruptcy and delisting. So trade it, don't own it. Going to be plenty of opportunities in Rite Aid. XPEV, nice chart, nice bounce off the just above $14. Just keeps running. We got a delivery report coming on Friday. XPEV, NEO, Li Auto will also be reporting. So we're getting the Chinese delivery data on Friday. So again, pay attention as we head into the weekend. I'm also watching Hawaiian Electric HE closed up 44% today after the utility said its power lines had been de-energized for more than 6 hours before the wildfire that killed at least 115 people in Maui earlier this month. Hawaiian Electric said that while a much earlier fire appears to have been caused by fallen power lines, fire officials declared that particular fire 100% contained and extinguished, and it left the scene. In response to a lawsuit filed last week by Maui County alleging its power lines caused the deadly wildfires, the company said it was surprised and disappointed that the county of Maui rushed to court even before completing its own investigation, and the county's complaint is factually and legally irresponsible. Hawaiian Electric shares have plunged during the past 3 weeks and on Friday hit their lowest level since 1984. Just absolutely gotten destroyed. But here, if major trend line support right there off the $10. So again, I think this one's going to trend higher. We could easily see $20 this week or next week, as this was just a absolute knee-jerk reaction. RSI is still oversold at 27, so watch this one going forward. Next up is Carvana, closed up 10% today on news that CEO Ernest Garcia bought $116 million in stock. It was announced on August 18th Garcia purchased 3.1 million Class A units from the company for a per unit purchase price of $37.04 and received for no additional consideration 2.5 million Class B shares. Last month, Carvana reported its best quarter in terms of adjusted EBITDA and total gross profit per unit, and it said it entered into a transaction support agreement with a group of note holders representing over 90% of the aggregate principal amount outstanding of the retailer's existing senior unsecured notes. The deal will reduce cash interest expenses by $430 million per year for the next 2 years. Notably, Carvana said Apollo, PIMCO, and ours all support the debt exchange deal. S&P Global Ratings lowered its credit rating on Carvana to CC from CCC after the announcement of the debt restructure, saying the transaction would be tantamount to a default if completed because lenders will receive less than originally promised. But overall, Carvana is a meme stock. It has been one that we have covered all year here at InsiderFinancial.com. You can go into the magnifying glass, type in any symbol, and you can see it's all right in the title. You can go in and watch what I have had to say about that stock. It's just been an absolute beast, up 186% this year. So if you caught any of this move, you have made a lot of money trading Carvana. So again, it's all about finding the right plays and trade them, get in, get out, make that money, move on to the next play, or keep coming back. So there's just, it's like rinse and repeat. When you find a stock, when you find trend line support, resistance, and you can keep playing those levels, you can make a lot of money. And that's what we try to do here at InsiderFinancial.com for our subscribers. Next up, guys, we're going to be looking here at FNGR. Been another beast all year for us. Plenty of trading opportunities, running right into trendline resistance here at 5. We have critical support at $4, so we need to get a close above $5, and then we will see some further movement in Fingermotion. This is another one that we have covered all year. You can go over here and just type in the symbol, and you can see what we've had to say about FNGR. This has been another big winner for our subscribers this year. Next up is AI. We're here technically we're right under it, but I think you can say we're right at trendline support. This is a make or break level for AI. So again, watch that $30. We get above $30 and we'll go back and test $40. So again, this is a lot of it is following Nvidia. Nvidia's been selling off Thursday and Friday ahead of and after earnings. We were briefly above $500, but today we got a bounce. So follow Nvidia for when it comes to trading AI. If Nvidia has further weakness, that will bring AI down. And guys, we have a few names on our radar for subscribers for the rest of the week. Just looking, rating for the right setups. Key is not chasing and be selective. That's how you make money in the markets. What we do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and ride that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com with your email. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation of buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great Tuesday, traders. Bye-bye.